How to fix blurry story on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually fix blurry story on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have been trying to upload a particular story on Facebook and then the story becomes quite blurry. Now most of the times Facebook does this themselves just so that they can actually easily compress the photos and make it easily accessible to everyone who are on the list. And just in case you would like to go ahead and then basically actually view those, what you can try to do is you can just try to use your Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So if you're using mobile data, I want you to actually turn it off. When you're using mobile data, Facebook could turn on data saver mode and then ultimately make the photo or the video quite blurry while uploading them on Facebook. So another thing what you can try to do is you can just long press the Facebook app icon, tap the I option here to come to the app info page, and then from here go to storage, clear the cache files. You can also try clearing the data if that helps. Last but not the least, open up your app store. In the search box type in Facebook, check if the Facebook app has an update. If it does, make sure to update to the latest version. Hope this video helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.